Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand the story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures. Friends, here you can see a daily chart of S&P 500 futures. Wall Street major indexes showed good reversal from their day's low on Friday amid growing hopes for invention of a successful vaccine to put a full stop on speedy spread of COVID-19. And I find that till today more than 115 theories on COVID-19 vaccine have come up, but all are without any evidence of successful human trial. Everybody from big pharma companies to philanthropists has joined this vaccine marathon to find a biological cure of this pandemic, but hardly anyone has come up with a successful human trial. Friends, this vaccine marathon has enhanced volatility in global equity markets a lot, where I find that this is likely to extend weakness during the upcoming weeks, and the reason of this weakness will be only one, and that is a struggle between the hopes for a successful outcome on vaccine front and the fear of a failure of all attempts on vaccine or a perfect biological cure of this pandemic. Even after huge investment by different governments, millions and millions of dollars have been invested where we are just betting of a successful vaccine for COVID-19, but I find that it will be coming very soon because every vaccine has to pass through a series of successful trials on human before a mass production for the whole population. Therefore, I find that this looks a time consuming job where we can expect a successful vaccine for COVID-19 to come up with a 100% success rate in near future. So therefore, I find that the S&P 500 futures look to take a decisive move within next 10 trading sessions. So I find that the next upcoming 10 trading session will be very decisive for the S&P 500 futures. Global equity markets will take cue from the movements of S&P 500 futures during the upcoming week. Here you can see that after forming a recent bottom at the levels of 2720, S&P 500 futures started to move upward but find stiff resistance at the levels of 2828, where I find that a thick presence of seller between the levels of 2828 and 2858, where I find that every upward move will be sold out above the levels of 2883. I find there is a thick presence of bears in the S&P 500 futures, where I find that in absence of a successful vaccine for COVID-19, I find that every rally will be sold during the upcoming week because here only the hope for successful outcome on vaccine front is keeping this strength in S&P 500 futures, and here I find that as we are moving ahead and going to enter in the upcoming week, I find that we will see the investor to start selling from these levels if they don't find any confirmed news on a successful vaccine for COVID-19, where I find that this failure on vaccine front may extend bearish sentiment in S&P 500 futures, where I find that this going bearishness in S&P 500 futures may push the S&P 500 futures below the immediate support level of 2678, where a downward move below the levels of 2562 will enhance this bearishness in S&P 500 futures up to a deeper levels where I find that the S&P 500 futures may try to beat the lows of March 23rd, wherein the S&P 500 futures tested the levels of 2170. Here I find a breakout of S&P 500 futures below the levels of 2170 will result in advent of a recessionary phase in S&P 500 futures during the upcoming weeks, because here you can see that the upside is very limited without a success on vaccine front for COVID-19, but the downside looks unlimited now when we are going to see the damaging impact of COVID-19, which may continue to damage the global supply chain in near futures for a long time. So friends, here I would like to show you that these are the levels where I find that a breakout out of this range from the levels of 2446 to 2858, a breakout out of this range for S&P 500 futures will finally decide further direction moves during the upcoming week. So friends, here first of all I would like to show you the movements of gold futures in a daily time frame. Here you can see that the gold futures are still maintaining above the levels of $1735. Here I find that the gold futures have found an immediate support at the levels of 1732, and below this support, second support will be at the levels of $1722, where I find that there is a thick presence of gold bugs who look too eager to go long from these levels for a target up to $1786. So therefore, I find that the steady gold futures ensure the growing uncertainty in global equity markets right now, which may enhance bearish pressure in global equity markets, because the gold futures look evident enough to show this extending bearishness in global equity markets, where I find that this global supply chain disruption, which is ensuring an uptrend in gold futures during the upcoming week, here I find that a breakout in gold futures above the levels of $1786 will confirm the continuity of a bullish trend in gold futures, where the gold futures may test the levels of $1822 during the upcoming week. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.